Oh, there he goes, that inside line move by Marvin Mangulabnan. Overtaking Troy Alberto over here. Marvin Mangulabnan is now at P2.
This 2024, we welcome with good sunshine, good racing. We wish everybody good luck and please ride safe. And we hope that our racing becomes more and more high level for the as we prepare ourselves to go more international.
I now declare the Petron Pirelli 2024 National Motorcycle Championship open. Have a safe race.
Thank you so much and good luck, racers and teams, for the 2024 season of the Petron Pirelli National Motorcycle Racing Championships. Time to race. Let's get it on.
Hi guys, I'm Marvin Mangulabnan from Aprilia Motul Factory Racing Team.
Here at the Batangas Racing Circuit, this is round number 1 for the 2024 Pirelli Petron Philippine Superbike Championship pre-final. Now Marvin Mangulabnan is much closer to DJ Alberto's tail. Check this out, Marvin Mangulabnan just clocked in the fastest lap so far in the race. Best time of 134.7. Setting the bar at 134.7. Marvin Mangulabnan with his efforts over here of finding that window of opportunity to be our race leader. Oh, there you go. Marvin Mangulabnan gets to snatch position 2 at the end of that pre-final. What a surprise attack by Marvin Mangulabnan. He finishes at position 2. Here we go! Race final for the season opener of the 2024 MORAC here at the Batangas Racing Circuit. Second run-up winner, Marvin Mangulabnan, MM189. He gets to climb up the stage with some big points for the race season. A huge effort for this rider over here, number 189, Marvin Mangulabnan, taking it for the team Aprilia Motul Factory Racing. Second runner-up trophy is his. Congratulations, Marvin Mangulabnan.
Second runner-up for the race today, this final race. Pero kaninang umaga nung pre-final is second tayo. So, this will be a good start for me for this season compared to last year kasi mas maganda na yung early points natin and ayun, mas kilala natin yung bike, mas nagkaroon tayo ng time for the bike and looking forward sa mga next races. Marami tayong still on the learning process, marami tayong may mga new changes or new development na kailangan namin improve. But then, thank you so much sa buong team, sa lahat ng sponsors ko. Aprilia Caloocan, Aprilia Philippines, Motul by Infiniteserv, Suomy helmet, TWC, 326 RNB Racing Team, Millhouse, Brembo by Infiniteserv, Toptul Philippines. Siyempre to my new sponsor, BAGA Burger, Fermar, private resorts, Qstarz SBH Virgo, VisualAize PH Philippines, sprocket, and siyempre shop ko, Philippine Superbike track party services. To my group, GP Boys. So thank you sa lahat na nagsusupport sa akin for the races, sa mga nanood for this day, sa nanood ng online, and sa mga friends ko and to all the supporters. Thank you. I will do my best to win, of course, and let's see on the next races kung ano yung magagawa pa natin. Looking forward to that, and thank you.